Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Canon in D. We will begin by exploring the fundamental 8-chord progression that forms the backbone of this beautiful piece. Then, we will delve into the consistent bass line, which provides a steady foundation. Finally, we will uncover the 3 distinct melodic variations that layer over these elements, building complexity and beauty throughout the composition. Get ready to learn this timeless classic. The heart of Canon in D lies in its famous 8-chord progression: D major, A major, B minor, F sharp minor, G major, D major, G major, and A major. Take your time to practice each of these chord shapes until they feel comfortable under your fingers. Once you are familiar with individual chords, concentrate on making your transitions between them as smooth and seamless as possible. This foundational practice is key. Now, let's explore the repeating bass line, which typically follows a 2-measure pattern, providing a steady rhythmic pulse. Over this, the first melodic variation often introduces a simple, arpeggiated figure. As the piece progresses, the second and third melodic variations gradually build in complexity, adding more notes and intricate patterns. These layers create the rich, full sound that makes Canon in D so captivating. To truly master Canon in D, begin your practice sessions slowly, using a metronome to maintain a consistent rhythm. Focus on practicing each hand separately until you are confident, then gradually bring them together. As your accuracy improves, slowly increase the tempo, aiming for a fluid and expressive performance. Remember, consistent and patient practice will lead to beautiful results and a rewarding musical experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.